Turn on the light. Turn on the light. Let's talk about this. I'm heartbroken. Let's do it. Actually, turn on the light. Put a chair up. I want to talk to the camera. I'm heartbroken.
Okay.
Stoop myself a little down from my usual.
Do you see that line again?
For the first time in my life, I thought to myself, maybe I should stoop myself a little bit down. Because, gotta let my ego aside and chase after someone, Chased after someone, and after realizing chasing after someone, it brings to literally, it's like a dog chasing its own tail. That's what it felt like. And at some point I had to realize I wasn't chasing anyone. I was chasing myself, an idea of you. That I don't even know you like that. I was chasing this idea of you. This image in my head of like perfection. And I'm realizing that was not what I was supposed to be chasing. It has to go! And I sit here in this state, in disbelief that I let myself get played.
Sorry, that's not funny. Continue. Yes.
Last thing I've heard from you is, I don't know. Last thing I heard from you is, I don't know.
Hold on. Sorry. Let me. Another chair. Sorry. My bad.
Last thing I heard from you is, I don't know. LOL. It's quite sad.
I don't know. LOL.
Yeah. How painful is that? That's the last.
Who even says that? I don't know. LOL. That's not a real thing. I don't know. LOL.
Yeah, it hit me. It wasn't a real thing. That's why I never replied.
I don't know. Lol.
That's why.
Yeah, I guess.
I wasn't him. And
You were not him?
I'm not him. Like, it hit me like.
Wow. You want to ask me what I think?
What do you think?
Should I say it louder?
What do you think?
I don't know. LOL.
It's the same level of nonchalantness. It's everything.
Anything else? Is there anything else that we have to talk about?
I'm genuinely heartbroken, so cut the camera.
Okay. Alright. I do have to get some B-roll, so. Hold on. Oh, wait, can you do that again? Ah.